Good day, my name is Chef Jimmy from Wellview Asia Pacific. So today let me introduce you the latest and the greatest of 2021 Convotherm Maxx combi oven. So in front of you actually I have a 10 tray combi oven. First of all, let me walk you through from the front of the aesthetic combi oven. 7-inch TFT touch display, easy to see, easy to use, easy to touch. Followed by our hygienic door handle, which means built-in with a silver ion, and also antibacterial door handle. So the moment when you touch this hotspot, bacteria will not be multiplied. Okay, so followed by itself is actually a very sleek 10 tray with a 10 tray plus 1 tray bonus of the combi oven. So let me walk you through on the touch display. So first icon over here, you can see actually the steam mode, chef head. So once you touch the chef head, you will see the steam mode, combi, convection. So my first video over here is actually running through the wet cooking, which is actually our steam mode. So let me introduce you the products over here. So first of all, I actually have a dim sum. So two different variants. One is actually open basket and one is actually a closed with the hakao inside. Followed by Teochew style steamed fish. So this is actually the raw sea bass with some salted preserved vegetables, tomato, tofu, and also chili. Followed by vegetables over here. So as you can see, the vegetable is all backpack. All right, there's various of different kind of vegetables. So we actually have the corn, snow pea, bok choy, and also capsicums. So let me show you. Over here, we also have the oyster sauce, all right, for the vegetables to backpack it. So this will be very consistent when we actually doing on the steaming. So once this vegetable is steamed, we can basically use this sauce pour over to the vegetables. So to open up these vegetables, so I will take out all these backpack products, put into the perforated tray. Watch vegetables, bok choy, snow pea. So the difference between I'm using all these vegetables is actually to show you the different type of the crunchiness or the hard type of the vegetables. So even we are steaming together in one single temperature and also the single time, it will not affect the vegetable so much. So now I'm gonna mix everything together. So this is how the vegetable will look. Okay, so let me set up the steam mode over here. So once I select on the steam mode, I select 100 degree. I use on the time, press on infinite, and the next moment I select on cook. Okay, so now load, the screen will tell you that you load the product. So I'm going to load the product, open up the door to load the product into the ovens. So I have the steamed dim sum over here. Steamed fish. Vegetables. And also oyster sauce. So welcome back. So over here we actually have done all the mixed loading of the products. So vegetables, fish and dim sum is all ready. So over here we actually have the fish which is ready. So my sauce is also taken. So basically just open up the pipette, the sauce, and slowly pour the sauce over. And over here we actually have the dim sum, beautiful dim sum. And also the perfect steamed fish, which you can see the fish itself is steamed in perfection. So thank you very much for your time for viewing my products. So this is all about the steam mode by using a Convotherm Maxx to help us to do the steam product in the perfect steam saturation, thanks to the climate management by Convotherm Maxx. Thank you.